Happy Tuesday morning, everyone. Here we are with my incredible students who are killing it in this market. Before I even open the trading room, take a look. Joseph, hedge fund manager, shorted S&P. Stunning, flawless collapse, 150 points. Large positions cannot be traded for 1-2 ticks. Large positions, hedge fund managers who are utilizing Alpha Fibonacci System using daily, weekly, and monthly charts. Smaller account sizes, brilliant traders like Emmanuel, whose podcast you listen, Joseph podcast can also be found, came to the trading room this morning with 5 points on S&P. His beautiful wife Jennifer beating him by a point. 6 points on S&P. Brett killing it, 8.25 points from support. Carlton, first week we're starting our first mentoring session this morning. 6 points on Sim. Stunning and flawless work. Jennifer supporting other traders. David killing it. Legend in the making. Week number 8 in the course. If these incredible traders can do it, if this incredible energy prevails in your life, in your trading, you will absolutely succeed. All you have to do, make an effort. All you have to do, be strategic Alpha Fibonacci trader. What an incredible, incredible, incredible morning. As David said, his performance skyrocketed only on week 6. That's it. This is incredible work by Alpha Fibonacci traders. Only at the market open. Only the first hour. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci System. Traded in the last 10 years in 50 plus countries. From future stocks to forex to options. From few $1,000 account to multi-million-dollar and billion-dollar accounts that institutions and hedge fund managers trade. You decide what you want to trade. Is it options? Is it stocks? Is it forex? Choice is yours. So why in the world am I doing this? Because S&P producing a whole lot of junk, market oversold, stock at support. This is the reason we're looking at our traders' performance, because intelligent trader knows not to short into support. Intelligent trader knows for the last 15 minutes we've been dealing with nothing but junk. Market oversold. Joseph knows that extremely well, shorting from Alpha Fibonacci Reversal Zone. As Joseph said, love a good crash. It was a really good crash that we knew weeks in advance was coming from this zone. That's the power of Alpha Fibonacci System that identifies reversals days, weeks, months, and years in advance. All depends on chart you decide to trade. So shall we take a look on oil and how Alpha Fibonacci System identified oil at the negative months and years in advance? Shall we do that? So here's oil since 2015. Oil, do you remember oil at 112 level? Price collapses and crashes from decision point 2 between this level and reversal zone. High 80+% of the time, oil have done exactly that. 2011, 12, 13, 14, ultimate sell-off. And when oil reaches ultimate bottom at Alpha Fibonacci support at Alpha Fibonacci Reversal Zone is where intelligent trader looks to buy from. Oil stages powerful bullish rally, doubles in value. What do you see next? Is it possible Alpha Fibonacci Reversal Zone? Of course! This is a place we're expecting sell-off from. Decision point 2 and reversal zone, the place you never buy near, the place you exiting your long and monitoring for short. And that's exactly what oil starts doing in 2018. Start selling off. 64 is crucial support, remains respected, but when 64 is out, oil in free fall. Reaching 55. Shock or not, starts finding buyers from 40, reaching higher and selling off again until oil reaches Alpha Fibonacci bottom 2019. So Alpha Fibonacci trader looking at this chart knows extremely well buyers are weak. 63 crucial resistance is a problem. Entire 2019 oil keeps rallying from ultimate support, but the fact that oil cannot break through 63 through proprietary end of minor trend, showing you the weakness of the buyers. And when oil keeps chopping back and forth and keeps rallying from ultimate bottom, despite worst news on oil, no one is surprised until crucial Alpha Fibonacci resistance is a problem. Do you remember 2015? This was a case in 2020. Identical Alpha Fibonacci resistance where oil crashed from. And it would correlate with institutional resistance. Intelligent trader is not surprised when oil reaches 32 level. And as I say, 15 next. And what do you see below? Reversal zone. It's a negative number. Shock or not, impossible to believe. Oil heading to 15. My goodness, we knew months in advance that reversal zone is negative on oil. We knew that 15 to follow. And that's the power of the system. Historical sell-off, all in advance. We will discuss in the class with my beautiful students in detail how Alpha Fibonacci system identified negative level on oil years in advance. There is no surprise, all precise. So when oil skyrocketed from negative 30, it's because oil reached Alpha Fibonacci Reversal Zone. What a historical event. There is no surprise, all precise. Oil staged the exact same reversal as oil have done in 2016. 2016 it was 30. 2020 it's a negative number. Here is oil today. So here's oil on this beautiful Tuesday, April 21st. How many points did oil skyrocket from negative 30 to almost actually 40? Correct? 40. All the way to 4. What is it showing you? Alpha Fibonacci Reversal Zone is not the place to short near. Correct? The place you want to short from is Alpha Fibonacci Reversal Zone. We knew when price will come to this level years in advance where to expect sell-off on oil from. Remember that? How price looked 2016, 17, 18, where reversal zone is? All in advance, never after the fact. In day trading, minutes, hours, days in advance. In position trading, weeks, months, and years in advance. You decide what you want to trade. And that's the power of the system on oil. Did we expect reversal on S&P and Dow? Of course! What is the scanner showing you? This is not position trading. This is day trading for you that has exact same accuracy. Did we know or did we know that this is not the place to short? Did we discuss this in advance? Of course. Intelligent trader knows extremely well where to buy and sell from. It will never, ever, ever leave intelligent trader. And that's the power of the system, as Marco killing it on gold. Stunning and flawless. So what did you see in the room this morning? Traders trading anything they choose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 daily, weekly, monthly charts. Every trader different account. Every trader different experience. That's the power of the system traded in the last 10 years in 50 plus countries. For one reason only. Price remains exactly the same on any instrument you trade. And if you want to trade Apple or Amazon, it's exactly the same. Amazon skyrocketed from the bottom. And the reason why Amazon's selling off is because it came to exact same place where oil crashed from. All in advance, never after the fact. We knew before we ever came to the trading room, this is not the place to short near. This is exact same place where buyers stepped in from April 19, April 12. And if I convert this chart right now to 2 or 3 or 5 minute chart, what do you see? Is it possible S&P already moved up 10 points? Of course. Intelligent traders know well in advance what not to short into, where to buy from. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci System. There is no surprise. All precise. Clear on this? Simple. You want precision? You want to enjoy your trading? Join us. And all you have to do, decide what you want to trade. Is it gold? Is it pound? Is it euro? Is it cryptocurrency? Is it daily? Is it weekly? Is it monthly chart? Is it oil ETF in liquidation? What is it? Is it Dow? Is it futures? Is it stocks? Absolutely up to you. Choice is yours. Being follower in trading never a recipe for success. Knowledge and execution is. So here we go. As you can see, while we are addressing oil, my incredible traders killing it in the markets. 4.5 points S&P Emmanuel. David again S&P and Dow. Khalid prefers options. Jennifer 5 minutes on S&P. While I'm concentrating on recapping video on oil, Alpha Fibonacci traders killing it in this market. That's it. All precise. Showing you very, very clearly the power of the system. So this is the reason I live and breathe what I do. Students making incredible effort, and I love what I do, creates very powerful combination. Pure price and Fibonacci only. All I'm asking you to make an effort. That's it. Black and white. All precise. No speculation. None here. So if you decide to join us, I highly encourage you to listen to podcasts from students. We are constantly updating our podcast channel with incredible student stories from our students that you just saw in the trading room. So if you would like to take the advantage of the last few spots left for the biggest discount ever, I look forward to working with you. Lifetime license of software with group course or private mentoring available to you. Any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Simply pick up the phone and call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders. Incredible work. Long VIX. Stunning job, everyone. Every trader, different instrument. You decide what you want to trade.